Technology.
So from our side, what we actually produce is the colour grading and the mastering solutions in the post-production. So the way now that we have to create our tool set for something like a colour grading system is that we have to work more in mind with what happens in pre-production. So a production company can set down what they want to use in terms of cameras. So much more people want to use digital cameras, like the Red is particular favourite at the moment. But that has issues, and you need to understand those issues from production to what happens in post-production. So all the tool sets we use today in the Coda Film Master will allow you to create dailies, understand what it's going to look like on the set, and follow that process all the way through to your final mastered content. And much more, it's more important for the production company to talk and have detailed discussions with a post-production company they're going to use to understand what that workflow entails, because there are so many different formats, there are so many different issues with the way that the workflow can sit together with the different editorial tools and grading tools, that they need to be very clear of what that process is, otherwise it can affect what the final product looks like.
And so what you're launching here is contributes to what?
Yeah, so basically with the 2009.1 software release for the new Coda Film Master, basically we're continuing our kind of collaborative theme that we have to make as part of our tools. You cannot stand alone anymore. So in terms of what we released here, there's more Avid interoperability. We have full integration with Avid Interplay now. We had Unity ISIS in the previous release. Most facilities will manage their content using a interplay solution. We can now sit as part of that, which actually makes the whole workflow a lot smoother and quicker. Just in terms of digital cameras, we're now supporting ARRI, Silicon, the Phantom from Vision Research, as well as the new Red Mysterium X sensors as well. So in terms of that, it just allows us to work with people on the production side, can check content very, very quickly. It just makes the whole workflow a lot smoother.